So I would like to report a bit, what happened the last 1.5 years in Kazakhstan and the support in EOS, the leading 3D printing technology provider in Europe and worldwide. And I would like to start when I get the first touch point with Kazakhstan. This was about 1.5 years ago. I was invited to a forum. I was listening to the Prime Minister of Kazakhstan about the economics, about the vision what Kazakhstan has, and I was really amazed. And then I get the chance to present EOS, the 3D printing company. I was more and more invited then to all these East-West committee meetings, and we established an idea together how to grow and how to scale additive manufacturing, so 3D printing in Kazakhshan, together with the government, together with universities, and together with the industry. And I'm very grateful the support from the government entirely, from the government institutions like Baytarek, with the KAZAKH INVEST colleagues, because they got a lot of support, that we could yesterday sign our collaborative agreement between the Sub-Kiev University and EOS, where we want to work together on R&D, we want to work together in additive manufacturing, we want together working on education as step one, then entirely develop end-to-end solutions based on applications. And if we have developed then an end-to-end process for a product, we will transfer it over to a production center in Kazakhstan and produce in Kazakhstan locally the products in additive manufacturing, and can therefore grow and scale additive manufacturing in Kazakhstan. And also one wish and also one idea is to focus also green environmental applications, because also Kazakhstan has a strong focus on that, and also create a cluster between Kazakhstan and other governmental institutions in Central Asia, in Europe, to work together on green environment applications, and also exchange from center to center to learn and how we can, as an entirely organization, globally, or at least Central Asia and Europe, grow additive manufacturing and scale it accordingly. So big thank you for all your great support.